in researching spiritualism, I found out a lot of horrible things about mediums. Punk, earthbound. The cure to nightmares, according to a German study, is 31 words memorized. Nothing particular like red parrot tulip or mid-century modern green mist commode. But a nice day, a good morning. 1 year into the study of PTSD and dreams, the subjects recite the list in German in their sleep. The whirring of the MRI trying its damnedest to chart the subconscious, the sleeper spasming toward visions and amputations. It's dangerous to see what suffering looks like these days. When the medium came to the poorest town this side of the tracks, he walked by windows right before sunrise and peeked into bodies thrashing behind flowered window boxes, hands scratching floods of rats away from a face. He scoured the cemetery for the warmest grave and made a house call where the body had been. And the grief-sick would give the kitchen sink if they could. They would give this man a house that will never feel right again. Behind a single red light bulb, he takes their shaking hands and into a room, you show yourself.